Hi, this is Bernhard Gruber from the Austrian Foodforest Institute in Wales. Here you see our first trial in syntropic agriculture, in syntropic agroforestry. The focus plant is here the Aronia berry. It's quite popular since a few years, but in our food forest we do have it already since 25 years. I was just wondering how I could make it a proper field here to use the space in between to speed up all the system without weeding too much. And yeah, of course, we are growing everything organic over here. So here we see the Aronia. This is the Aronia. And in between, as a living mulch, we planted the strawberries. Here we do have the strawberries. They're visible as a living ground cover. And outside, to keep the herbs under control, that they don't grow in that much, we planted the Comfrey. It's the Synphytum officinalis. It's our local Comfrey. It's the very medicinal ones. It is the one with the white blossoms. Yeah, and in the gaps in between you see the Swiss char. So big green flowers. This is edible, this is spinach, this is salad, whatever, it's vegetable. And here we see again the Aronia. And in between the rows I also planted the Sylvie. This is the Sylvie. Yeah, I'm not so happy with this. I expected more growth of the Sylvie. It got high, but yeah, it's not that big thing in here. So there are other Sylvie. Here is a Sylvie, here is a Sylvie. So I'm sure it don't like that soil that much. So this little kind of clover came itself. It's also very good ground cover. And it's multi-purpose because it's also nitrogen fixing. So yeah, it's a little spot in here, just a trial. Oh wait, we do have a walnut tree. And yeah, here you see, this is our nearly 30 years old food forest. Here it's just mixed, the whole system is mixed. And yeah, it was established in the late 1980s, and the last days we were just cleaning up a little bit here because in springtime next year we will add a few more garden beds. Here we have a hügelbeet, a typical hügelbeet, but it's ready for mulching now because we are going now in winter. We're close to winter, so there is less vegetation, and this will get a break for the winter, and in springtime it will be planted again. Over there we harvested already the sorghum, and we are also in the second year now of a rye which is growing for 7 years, and you can harvest 6 years. So we already harvested the second year. And here you see the greenhouse and the geodesic dome, and yeah, some things around. That's it for so long.